Vlog YouTube, we are back with the last box of the break. Top Supremes. Go big or go to bed, they say. The good part is there's number cards in here that look nice. It's uber thin, so it's going to be a long night. It's not uber thin. Alright, for the Super Bowl runner-ups, 49 out of 99, Mr. Ridley, Jarrell Jernigan for the Super Bowl champs, numbered 113 out of 429, and a DeMarco Murray. Let's see which way this is. Oh, nice. We got an auto. Way to end the break, ladies and germs. My little spark plug, Kendall Hunter, 45 out of 55. Nice. That's a beautiful card there. Nice. You got an auto and Supreme. Once again, thank you all for joining. Make sure you guys watch the other videos, and see you next go round.